Okay, we'll go. Hey, sir. Sorry for the delay. So you're going to a hotel in Pala? Yeah, another place. It's lucky for you. Pala has only one hotel still working. See that place? You won't see any more very soon. It's probably the last one ever. Full of rich people. Only money and connections can get you out. Bloody idiot. Nobody follows the rules anymore. I told him the plane's gone, but they don't believe me. Everyone thinks the big planes are coming back. Who can say anymore? Sanibonani bahlekazi njani? Hey, look at I see why you do so much to fire. The spreads like a virus that thing. So grabbing such a beautiful bungalow with a bar, 3 cattle, hey, a rich man. A brush fire destroyed everything. And now he left the country. Yeah, he'll be back.
This is Liberation Radio, speaking the truth for the truth seekers. And the truth is that your country needs you. Beware the evil APR scourge. The plague has gripped our beauty.
They're not fans of the DJ. Maybe his music choices. Who knows?
Ngibona boss amusimela icheckpoint izolo ne.
Hayi mina mphumzana. Ebengayanga
emsebenzini. Manga la ngiyakwazi. Khuluma iqiniso man.
Where are you headed?
My passenger, driving him to the hotel in town.
You come from the airport?
Yes, sir. The airport. Gentlemen, you are posted here all day. On my way back, I grabbed some cold beer. You drink beer, ne?
Yep, beer. We drink beer. Hurry up then. Move along.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. See you soon, sir. No offense. These militia will come into our country, steal everything, and they leave us nothing. A lot of troops nowadays. It's okay. They keep to themselves most of the time. Don't let this concern you. Just pour a little more steam, right? You'll remember how you... Everyone's trying to find a way out of the country. Only fools stay. Fools and cab drivers. Okay, sir, we are here. We made it alive. Hey, are you okay? You don't look so good. You tired?
The target's presence in the state continues to be a destabilizing influence. He's largely responsible for the recent influx of weapons into the country in clear violation of the joint signatory framework. His reputation as a dangerous arms dealer is well deserved. Orders are to terminate. Well, that didn't work out the way they planned. I'm still breathing and you're the one with malaria. You can tell them you tried, but that means fuck all, doesn't it? You're fired. You know it, and so do I. You had your shot, but now it's over. And since men like you only work for money, you're no longer my problem. You'll have to find something else to do with yourself now. What your old clients don't seem to understand is that they can't kill me. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nobody kills me. Nobody. I'm the one who decides who lives and who dies. Me. You know, there's a book I read a long time ago. I still think about it every day. It helps me understand life out here. The book talks about men, about what motivates them. Simple, really. A living being seeks above all else to discharge its strength. Life itself is will to power. Nothing else matters. So long.
Mfuna phi? Makela truck.
to do first aid before that gets infected. I'm Conquerors, and you're an idiot. Who are you working with? You got some of my guys killed at the hotel, you know that? So now you run errands for me, and I got some things for you to do. Get out here, take what you need. There's ammunition, medicine, whatever. Hurry up.